everyone, this is Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and I just want to say thank you guys so very much. Today it's not going to be a normal video because we are doing a seed giveaway because we hit 150 subscribers. In fact, we actually hit 162 subscribers, which is really big. I can't tell you guys enough how much I appreciate you guys showing me so much love and support here in my garden. So we are going to pick some winners. But first, I want to show you guys the seeds that we're giving away. So I am doing the red core carrots, which if you guys follow my Instagram, which I will put right here, I have been trying different types of vegetables to see which ones I like from my local farmer's market. There's one literally maybe like a block away from me that I can try different vegetables that grow, different heirloom vegetables, so I can see which ones I want to grow. That's something I do suggest for you guys to do, is before you start putting different things into your garden, make sure you like them. So the red core carrots are pretty good. I made a soup with them, a chicken noodle soup that I made all the way from scratch with bone broth, everything. I'm so proud of myself, and it turned out really good. I mean, they're a little bit sweeter than regular carrots, but really nice. The second one I'm doing are collards. Then we have cilantro. And then we have Oregon sweet peas. So these are going to be ones that I got from the Great American Seed Up here in Arizona back in September. I got a bunch of extra seeds because that's how they do. Like, you get a scoop of seeds, and a scoop of seeds like, I don't know, like $1 or something, but I had all these seeds. There's no way I can plant this many seeds in my garden because I have a small space garden, so I thought it would be an amazing idea to do a seed giveaway because you guys have been showing me so much support. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get to it. I put everybody's name that commented on the last video down in here. So I am going to randomly pick one name, and then I'm going to tell you guys 2 books that I use in order to learn how to garden and learn how to use some of the things that are coming out of my garden, and then I'm going to pick another name. So let's pick the first one. Put that down. And it is There She Grows. My horrible handwriting. So There She Grows, you are going to win seeds, all 4 of these seeds, and I will be sending them to you. There's going to be an email in my description of this video. Make sure you email me your address and I can mail them out to you. Okay guys, so 2 books I really enjoy here in Arizona. Well, the first one's more so for Southwest climates, and then the other one's for everybody. But this one right here, it is called Water-Wise Plants for the Southwest. One of the things that I was having a hard time with was knowing how much water to put on it and when it was going to need it and all those different things. This book is really detailed about different plants and flowers and just desert things that can help you with watering. And a lot of times, depending on what the plant is, like, it'll give you different zones and different things like that for how dry those zones are, and this one has different states. Like I said, it's all of the Southwest, and how much water you should put on them. So if you guys are wondering about watering like I was, this one is a really great book. The second one is Medicinal Herbs, The Beginner's Guide. One of the things I really was big on was I wanted to grow a really big herb garden so that then I could provide my family with more natural medicine. This book has really done a lot for me. We have made it through now our first full cold and flu season without getting sick. And we actually started last summer when I originally started putting together different herbs and different things like that. Last summer. So it's actually been 2 flu and cold seasons, and it's made a really big difference in our overall health. So energy wise, just being able to maintain a healthy diet, maintain a healthy weight, and just feeling good about life. And this is something that I just use to make different teas or broths or different things like that. So if you guys are looking for something on medicinal herbs, this is the book for you. Okay, so it's time to pick a second name. So let's get in here. I'm not looking, so I'm not cheating. And I got one more. And this one is The Bull's Garden. So our two winners are There She Grows and The Bull's Garden. So please leave a comment below with your email address, or check our description and it'll have our email address in there. Just email us and let us know where to send your seeds to, and you get all 4 of these. I will also include a copy of the card so that you guys know like how deep to plant them and like when to plant them and storage things and all those different things of the information that's on here. So thank you guys so much for all of your support and continuing to help us grow and just supporting our channel, because this is really, really huge for us. In fact, we will be doing another seed giveaway when we reach 250 subscribers. That's going to be the goal. I'm so excited because I think that we can make it, and it's a great journey. So thank you guys again for all your support. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.